Hey, I'm Jonathan, aka Dr. Swirl Killer. We're here at Carolina's Finest Detailing, and we're protecting this brand new Acura MDX SUV. New SUVs and trucks are more expensive than ever, and so many of these surfaces are more fragile than ever before. This Acura is going to get a combination of some PPF and ceramic coating, so this client will be able to daily drive with peace of mind. All right, so this MDX is all wrapped up, and man, does it look amazing. The combination of PPF and ceramic coating on this car means that it will be easy to maintain for years to come, along with it can be daily driven with peace of mind, knowing that the high wear areas are also protected from rock chips and road debris. If you're looking to protect your SUV or truck, contact us today here at Carolina's Finest Detailing, where we are proud to combine passion and experience to provide the finest paint protection and detail service available.